Alright guys, I'm going to do a video, an unboxing video. As you can see, we're here in Lenoir, West Virginia, getting set up for a fireworks show. But I'm going to go around and open each one of these boxes and kind of give you guys an idea of what's in this whole show. Okay, here's the opener and the finale. Just going to get a shot inside the box here. They're in strings of 24 shells. Yeah, if we just put what's in that box, what is that, the other? The opener?
This is finale 6.
Yeah, that's also loose. Just leave it. Well, yeah, since it's finale 6. Balls. Alright guys, I've got the first box all laid out here. It's the opener and part of the finale. Whenever they come, they label them. It says open 1, and there's only 24 shells in the opener, so that is the whole opener right there. They're different shells mixed in, like usual. Like that one's a titanium salute. This one is a white chrysanthemum, another white chrysanthemum, titanium salute, blue chrysanthemum. These may be red, white, and blue. That's what it looks like. They're red, white, and blue chrysanthemums with titanium salutes mixed in. And then the second string you see here, it's going to be finale 1. And then we've got finale 2. And then this is finale 6. And it's all salutes. And it looks like they've all got tails on. But I'm going to get the next box and open it up and show you guys what's in it. Alright, here's part of the 3-inch finale. They're in strings of 24 shells as well. And they're colored noise, so there's a titanium salute about every 4th or 5th shell. There's 2 strings of those, so there's 48 3-inch in the finale. Alright guys, we're moving on to the body of the show. These are all the 2.5 in the body. And I'm going to show you why there's a flammable solid label on this. Because the fusees are in this box. But if you have fusees inside the box, it's got to have the flammable solid label on it. But we're going to get some of these shells out of the box and lay them on the table and take a little closer look at them. Okay guys, I've got some shells laid out here on the table. All the 2.5s are going to be in flights of either 2 or 3. And we're just going to take a look at a few of them. Whenever they're in a flight, there's 2 leaders that go up to a bucket, and then you got 1 fuse coming out. But these are Brocade to Purple. Looks like Dancing is the manufacturer. This one's Red Crackling Coconut. This one's going to be Gold Flitter with red, white, and blue pistol. This one is Glittering Silver Wave to Color. Blue Peony with red pistol. This one's going to be Blue Chrysanthemum. This one's green and blue wave, green crackling flowers, brocade crown, and those are all flights of 2. Here's a couple more flights of 2. This is European cylinder, red and crackling with 4 salute. That looks like it's going to be a pretty nice shell. It's a canister shell. It says a European canister. And then we got a gold and silver strobe. And then we've got some flights of 3 laid out here, and they're the same way. You've got 1 fuse to light it, and then all 3 of these shells will go at the same time, and they're all matching effects. Like if one shell is golden wave to purple chrysanthemum, then the other 2 shells will be the same. And this one is gold and silver strobe, and all 3 are the same effect. And here's gold brocade cascade. Alright, now we're going to look at some of the 3-inch shells. I'm going to go ahead and get them unboxed and lay a few of them out. Alright guys, I got some 3-inch shells laid out here. All the 3s are going to either be flights of 2 or singles. I'm going to get a look at a few of the effects on them. We got a red peony with brocade pistol, colorful wave, red gambage. How the hell do you pronounce that? Red gambage to crackling flowers, half white to red and half green to red peony, yellow chrysanthemum with green pistol, sea blue chrysanthemum with coconut core, and a golden Komoro to blue. And then some of the single effects, we got a dahlia green with crackling flowers, silver to golden crackling chrysanthemum flower, half peony with coconut core. I don't know what a half peony is, but we'll see. Coconut tree to silver, color peony, blue chrysanthemum with green pistol, crackling dahlia, blue crackling flowers. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is we're going to get some of the cakes out and take a look at them. And I'll get some more video here in a second. Alright guys, there's 5 cakes in this show. I'm going to get a little bit of up close shot of them. This one is it's wrapped up, but it looks like 10 times 8 shot Z color chrysanthemum with whistling tail plus salute, and it's 22-second duration. And then these are 10 times 10 Z-shaped crackling mine, red tail to blue star with crackling, 21-second duration. And the one on the bottom here is going to be 10 times 8 shot Z silver crackling stars with red and silver and blue tail, 25-second duration. And then there's one more cake. This one's a 140 shot fan 3-layer mine. It doesn't tell the duration on it. Okay, here's one of the cakes in this show. It's a Sunny brand, which I've shot, Sunny brand cakes before. They're really nice. I've never had a Sunny brand cake blow apart on me. I'm not going to say that it doesn't happen, because some guys have had just about every kind of cake blow apart on them. But this one it's a 2-inch cake, silver chrysanthemum with tail, and it's 49 shots and a 28-second duration, so it'll last approximately 30 seconds.